let's talk about the way that you can use ChatGPT for presentations. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create slides, structure your content, and even design talking points. To start off, what you can firstly do is ask ChatGPT to create an outline of your presentation. So you can give in a prompt like this, which says create a 10-slide presentation outline on the topic of, and then you can insert a topic. This way it's going to clearly give you the outline of the presentation that you want. Once the outline has been created, you can make sure that it is accurate, and you can also tweak it if you want. Secondly, after the outline has been created, you can now create slides content. You can give in a prompt something like this, and this way is going to create slide content for each of those slides. If you're also wondering if what visuals or charts can be added in, you can also ask ChatGPT to do that. Now, once all of your outline, the content, and the design has been finalized, you can also ask ChatGPT to create a short speech. For whenever you begin your presentation, you can create a short speech. So for example, if you're having difficulties with slide 3, you can ask ChatGPT to create a short script. So this way it not need to think much, and then just add in this particular speech for your slide 3. So by following these steps, you will be able to use ChatGPT to create presentations. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.